watching this right now, you're hustling, you're grinding, you're trying to build something for yourself. And let me tell you something, that fire in your belly, that's what it takes. But here's the thing, you don't need to do it the hard way anymore. Forget what they told you about overnight success. This is about right now success. AI is changing the game. It's not just some futuristic fantasy, it's here, it's real, and it's your secret weapon to building $1 million business. Whether you're starting from zero or you've already got something going, AI can take you to the next level. We're talking automation, we're talking efficiency, we're talking about blowing past your competition. In this video, I'm gonna break it down for you step by step, how to leverage the power of AI to build a business that doesn't just make money, it prints money. No BS, no fluff, just pure, actionable advice. You with me? Let's go. First things first, you gotta figure out what you're gonna sell. What's your lane? What's gonna get you fired up every single morning? And listen, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is important. You gotta be passionate about what you're doing because the hustle is real. But here's the beauty of AI, it's opened up a whole new world of possibilities. We're talking AI content creation services, pumping out high-quality content like a machine. We're talking AI-powered e-commerce, optimizing your store and predicting what your customers want before they even know it. Think about AI chatbot services, automating your customer service and freeing up your time. And hey, if you're a natural problem solver, AI-driven consulting is booming right now. And for all you creators out there, AI-generated digital products are exploding. The point is, there's an AI business model out there for everyone. Pick something that aligns with your strengths, something you can see yourself crushing, and let's get to work. Now that you've got a general idea of your AI business, it's time to niche down. Look, you don't want to be just another face in the crowd, you want to be the go-to expert in your field, and AI can help you do just that. First things first, you gotta know what people are actually searching for. What problems are they trying to solve? What are their pain points? This is where tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI come in. These AI powerhouses can help you generate niche ideas based on real-time market trends. You can also use tools like Google Trends and Exploding Topics to spot emerging industries that are about to blow up. And don't forget about Answer the Public and Uber Suggest. These tools will show you exactly what questions people are asking online. The bottom line is, the more specific you can get with your niche, the better. Remember, it's better to be a big fish in a small pond than a small fish in a big pond. Now here's where people get tripped up. They think building an AI business requires some crazy technical skills, or a ton of capital. They imagine needing to hire a team of expensive developers, or investing in high-end infrastructure. But let me tell you, that's not the case at all. The reality is, you can start an AI business with minimal cost, and without being a tech genius. You don't need to be a coding wizard to build a successful AI business. There are tons of incredible AI tools out there that can do the heavy lifting for you. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Let me tell you, that's BS. You don't need to be a coding wizard to build a successful AI business. There are tons of incredible AI tools out there that can do the heavy lifting for you. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Want to create a stunning website without touching a single line of code? Check out AI website builders like Framer AI or 10Web. These platforms offer drag-and-drop functionality, allowing you to design professional-looking websites effortlessly. You can have a fully functional website up and running in no time, without the need for any technical expertise. Need to automate your marketing? AI's got you covered. Use AdCreative.ai for killer ad copy and GetResponse AI for email campaigns that convert like crazy. These tools can help you create compelling marketing materials and automate your campaigns, saving you time and effort. Want to create a stunning website without touching a single line of code? Check out AI website builders like Framer AI or 10Web. These platforms offer drag-and-drop functionality, allowing you to design professional-looking websites effortlessly. You can have a fully functional website up and running in no time without the need for any technical expertise. Check out AI website builders like Framer AI or 10Web. These platforms offer drag-and-drop functionality, allowing you to design professional-looking websites effortlessly. You can have a fully functional website up and running in no time, without the need for any technical expertise. Need to automate your marketing? AI's got you covered. Use AdCreative.ai for killer ad copy and GetResponse AI for email campaigns that convert like crazy. These tools can help you create compelling marketing materials and automate your campaigns, saving you time and effort. Use AdCreative.ai for killer ad copy and GetResponse AI for email campaigns that convert like crazy. These tools can help you create compelling marketing materials and automate your campaigns, saving you time and effort. Customer service giving you a headache? Deploy an AI chatbot using ChatFuel or ManyChat and let it handle those inquiries 24/7. These chatbots can provide instant responses to customer queries, improving customer satisfaction and freeing up your time to focus on other important tasks. Deploy an AI chatbot using ChatFuel or ManyChat and let it handle those inquiries 24/7. These chatbots can provide instant responses to customer queries, improving customer satisfaction and freeing up your time to focus on other important tasks. And don't even get me started on social media. Tools like Predis.ai and Okoya can automate your posts and captions, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most, growing your business. These tools can help you maintain a consistent social media presence without the need for constant manual effort. Tools like Predis.ai and Okoya can automate your posts and captions, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most, growing your business. These tools can help you maintain a consistent social media presence without the need for constant manual effort, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most, growing your business. The point is, with AI, you can automate 90% of your operations from day one. This means you can focus on strategic planning and business growth, rather than getting bogged down in day-to-day tasks. The point is, with AI, you can automate 90% of your operations from day one. This means you can focus on strategic planning and business growth rather than getting bogged down in day-to-day tasks. So ditch the excuses and start building. The tools are out there and they're more accessible than ever. It's time to leverage AI to take your business to the next level. So ditch the excuses and start building. The tools are out there and they're more accessible than ever. It's time to leverage AI to take your business to the next level. You can have the best product or service in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're dead in the water. Imagine spending countless hours perfecting your product only to see it gather dust because it's not reaching the right audience. It's a nightmare scenario for any business owner. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business, and AI can help you generate it on autopilot. With the right AI tools, you can attract a steady stream of visitors to your website without lifting a finger. This means more potential customers, more sales, and ultimately, more growth for your business. First up, SEO. You need to make sure your website is showing up on Google when people search for your keywords. SEO can be complex and time-consuming, but AI simplifies the process. It analyzes search patterns, identifies the best keywords, and even suggests content improvements to boost your rankings. Tools like Surfer SEO and Phrase.io use AI to help you optimize your content and rank higher in search results. These platforms provide actionable insights and recommendations, making it easier than ever to climb the search engine rankings. They take the guesswork out of SEO, allowing you to focus on creating great content. Video marketing is another goldmine. Videos are incredibly engaging and can capture your audience's attention like no other medium. They can explain complex concepts, showcase your products, and build a connection with your audience. But creating high-quality videos can be daunting. Platforms like Pictory AI and Synthesia allow you to create engaging high-quality videos without ever picking up a camera. These AI tools can generate professional-looking videos from text, saving you time and money. You can create product demos, explainer videos, and even personalized messages with ease. And let's not forget about paid advertising. Paid ads can give you an immediate traffic boost, but they need to be well-targeted to be effective. This is where AI comes in, revolutionizing the way we approach online advertising. Facebook and Google ads are now powered by AI, so you can target your ideal customers with laser precision. AI algorithms analyze user behavior and preferences, ensuring your ads are shown to the people most likely to be interested in your products or services. This means higher conversion rates and a better return on investment. Use a tool like Adzuma AI to optimize your campaigns and maximize your ROI. Adzuma provides real-time insights and recommendations, helping you fine-tune your ads for better performance. It's like having a personal advertising assistant working around the clock to ensure your campaigns are successful. Influencer marketing is another powerful strategy that can be supercharged with AI. Influencers have loyal followings and can help you reach a wider audience. But finding the right influencers can be challenging. Platforms like Heapsy and Upfluence AI can help you find and connect with influencers in your niche who can promote your brand to their engaged audience. These tools analyze influencer metrics, audience demographics, and engagement rates, ensuring you partner with the right people to amplify your message. The bottom line is, AI makes marketing smarter, faster, and more affordable than ever before. By leveraging AI, you can streamline your marketing efforts, reach your target audience more effectively, and ultimately drive massive traffic to your business. Embrace the power of AI and watch your business thrive. All right, you've got your AI business up and running, you're generating leads, you're closing deals. Now it's time to scale this thing to the moon. The key to scaling any business is to work smarter, not harder, and that's where AI comes in. AI can revolutionize the way you handle your business operations, making them more efficient and effective. First, automate everything you possibly can. Customer support, marketing, analytics. If it can be automated, automate it. This will free up your time to focus on high-level tasks that actually move the needle. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, handling customer queries round the clock, or a marketing system that runs personalized campaigns without any manual intervention. Next, outsource strategically. Use platforms like Upwork and their AI talent search to find talented freelancers who can handle tasks that AI can't. This way, you can tap into a global talent pool without the overhead costs of hiring full-time employees. Whether it's content creation, graphic design, or specialized coding, there's a freelancer out there who can do it better and faster. Once you've got your core operations running smoothly, it's time to expand your reach. Think about new markets, new customer segments, and new ways to deliver value. AI translation tools like DeepL can help you break down language barriers and take your business global. Imagine being able to communicate with clients in their native language, making your business more accessible and trustworthy. And to really ramp up your sales, consider using AI-powered sales funnels. These tools can analyze customer behavior, predict buying patterns, and personalize the sales journey for each lead. Platforms like ClickFunnels AI can help you optimize your sales process and convert more leads into paying customers. By automating follow-ups and nurturing leads through the sales funnel, you can ensure no opportunity is missed. Remember, scaling a business is a marathon, not a sprint. But with AI by your side, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can reach your goals. The future of business is here, and those who leverage AI will be the ones who thrive. There you have it, my friend. A step-by-step blueprint for building $1 million business with the power of AI. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience or a ton of capital to get started. AI has leveled the playing field, giving anyone with an internet connection the ability to build something truly special. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't let this information go to waste. Choose a business model, find your niche, build your website, drive traffic, and scale like crazy. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway from this video. I read every single one. Now go out there and crush it.